Watch this video and learn how to draw an A, B, C. Later on, Artie sings a song. And watch to the end to see a cartoon break. It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Oh, hello. Welcome to Artie's show.
You know how you love your ABCs?
Yeah?
Well, why don't we draw an A, B, and a C?
Whoa! This is gonna be awesome! Yeah! Whoa!
It's great to see everybody today.
It's a real pleasure.
Are you ready to begin?
Oh, Artie was born ready.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's start then.
Okay.
Get ready to draw with my favorite artist, Artie!
Let's start by drawing the left side of our letter A. Oh, Artie, A is what your name begins with.
Yeah.
At the top of the line, draw a short angled line and then another long line coming all the way back down to the bottom. Let's give it 2 little feet, just 2 short lines on the right and then on the left side. That's it, Artie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thanks, Bunny. Okay, Artie, 2 more lines, one going up and another one coming down, and then join them across, left to right. There you go.
Wow, what an awesome day to do some art.
My goodness, yes it is.
Now, Artie, let's draw an outline all the way around.
An outline?
Yes, an outline is a sort of copy of the original shape, but outside.
Oh.
It looks like you're really having fun with this drawing, Artie. I can see you're taking your time and really enjoying it.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying myself. Yeah.
Well, that's the most important part about art, Artie. It doesn't matter if you don't draw very well, as long as you really enjoy it. Great! Now our A has an outline. Let's draw a triangle in the middle. A triangle has 3 lines, remember? 1, 2, and 3.
Hi, Artie! Oh, wow! That's like a masterpiece! It needs a musical number! Bo boo 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 boo. You're welcome!
Thanks, Barry. I mean, it didn't really need a musical number, but thank you anyway. And now, let's add an outline outside of the triangle.
Let's have a song break.
You want a song break? Why are we whispering?
I don't know. Let's have a song break. Yay! Song break!
Hey kids, let's learn the ABCs. With Artie the puppet, it's a breeze. A is for apple, B is for balloon. Come along, let's learn them all. C is for cat and D is for dog. E is for elephant, F is for fun. G is for glue, H is for hot, I is for igloo, J is for jazz. so fair. R is for rocket, S is for sock, T is for turtle, U is for rock, V is for violin, W for wheel, X is for xylophone with a playful feel. Sing the alphabet with me, K to Z so easily, with a puppet pal named Artie. Learning's fun, don't you agree?
Song break, song break, song break, song break.
That was a great one.
Yeah, Artie loves singing.
Especially about your ABCs.
Oh,
Let's carry on with the drawing
yeah.
now.
Oh, okay.
Now let's draw the letter B. Let's draw a curvy J shape, sort of back to front J. And add a little L shape to the top. Watch to the end to see a cartoon break with Betty and Mikey. Now let's draw a big curve for the top part of the B. That's it. And now let's draw another big curve coming all the way down and connect to the bottom to make a complete bit. What is that music, Artie?
Oh, it's painty. Oh.
Oh, I love it!
Well, you may love it painty, but we don't. Now there's blue paint everywhere. It's on the floor. It's even on the walls over here. Oh, painty. Did you know, Artie, that the first letter of Betty Brush's name begins with a B? B for Betty.
No.
Yes. In fact, Betty's last name even begins with a B. Betty Brush. BB. Oh, I like those little circles you're adding inside the B, Artie. That's very creative.
Hello, Artie.
Oh, hi, Bunny.
How's my favorite artist? I love that drawing. That looks so good.
Thank you.
Let's hop to it.
Okay.
Oh, Artie, isn't Bunny so sweet? She always comes and visits you. I think she likes you.
No.
I think she does. Now we have an A and a B. Just one more letter to go.
Oh, could I have a cartoon break, please?
Of course you can.
Thank you.
Come along, Mikey. I want to show you this painting by Grant Wood.
This looks like my neighbor, Mrs. Jones.
This painting was done in the 1930s. Isn't it wonderful?
It is, but why doesn't that guy look happy? And why does he have a fork?
Because they are farming their land.
Maybe they could grow some smiles.
It's a wonderful painting. Come along. Look, a Vincent van Gogh self-portrait.
What's a self-portrait?
Well, Mikey, the artist made a painting of himself.
No way. You're telling me this guy did the first selfie?
Kind of. You can use a mirror at home to help paint yourself.
I'm learning so much about art. Thank you for teaching me, Betty.
You're welcome, Mikey. Now let's go. This is by American painter Andrew Wyeth.
Looks like a lady lying in the grass with her house at the top of a hill.
This painting is called Christina's World. And yes, that's Christina.
Me and Artie could play a game of baseball in that field.
Yes, you could. Look how the artist painted each blade of grass with separate brushstrokes.
That must have taken him so long. By the time he finished, he probably had to cut the grass.
I suppose. Now come, let's head to the Gallery Cafe.
Cartoon break, we had a cartoon break.
That was a great one.
Yeah.
Should we finish the drawing?
Oh, yeah, okay.
We're going to draw the C as if it's partially hiding behind the B. Draw a straight line with a little curve coming off the top, and then a little C shape coming off the bottom of the line.
He's so talented.
Now another curve coming down and underneath, and then a straight line to connect the two. And there's our C. Let's add another outline. Just copy the shape all the way around on the outside. That's it, Artie.
Look at Artie go! Wow!
It's pretty impressive, isn't it, Barry? That's the outline done. Now, Artie, grab that thinner pen over there. No, the thin one on the side. Yeah, that's it. Now we're going to draw some stripes inside the C. Isn't this fun, Artie? I love drawing all the patterns inside the letters.
Oh, this is the best day ever.
Best day ever, huh? Wow.
Yep.
Okay, well, I'm very happy that you're enjoying it. That looks very good, Artie. You know what? I think you might be finished. I can't wait to see this one when it's all coloured in.
I'm finished.
It looks awesome, Artie.
Yeah,
Now what?
it's coloring time. Ooh.
Color it in! Color it in! Color it in!
Artie's finished.
Wow, Artie, it looks fantastic.
Yeah.
It's great.
Really good.
Did you expect it would come out this good once it's coloured in?
No.
I bet you're very pleased with it.
Yeah, Artie's very pleased.
Great job, Artie!
Just wonderful.
See you later, Artie.
Wasn't that so much fun? Yay! Thank you for watching, and please watch again and have an Artie day. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Oh, I love it.